The flood situation in Sylhet and Sunamganj have started improving due to less raining in the last 24 hours. However, more than 17 lakh people are still marooned in water in the two districts. However, the water of Kushiara and Shurma rivers are still flowing over the danger level. As the flood water recedes, the damage of the flood is more visible now. According to the information of the district administration, 9.5 lakh people were affected by the flood. Among them, 25,000 are in shelter centers. Houses, roads, fish and animal farms, shops have been damaged in Banwasi area. Low-income people are at risk as semi-built houses last for a few days. District administration and city corporation authorities continuing relief and rehabilitation activities in flood-affected areas.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।